couple key figures. So positive lubrication on the crank coming in here through cross ports into the bushings, as well as coming up the piston rod. Sample of the piston rod. It is cross ported from the bottom all the way through to the top. So this drilling straight through. So lubrication all the way to this journal bearing on the top as well.
Oh ya, ada alur buat alur oli pelumasan.
Iya, masukkan oli untuk pelumasan
ada jalurnya itu. Part numbernya itu.
Ada PN-nya.
This is the part number.
That's the casting part number.
Oh, casting.
There's times where the real part number will just be minus that addition on the end. But typically you do